Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Simple Earn. Simple Earn is a fantastic way to grow your cryptocurrency holdings effortlessly. It allows you to earn daily rewards on your idle digital assets, providing a steady stream of income. You have the flexibility to choose between two main product types, flexible and locked products, each designed to meet different investment strategies and time horizons. To begin, simply log in to your Binance account, whether you are using the website or the convenient mobile application. Once logged in, look for the Earn section, typically found in the top navigation menu. Clicking on Earn will reveal several options. Select Simple Earn to access the full range of available products and discover the different cryptocurrencies you can use to start earning. Now, let's compare flexible and locked products. Flexible products offer the freedom to redeem your funds at any time, making them perfect for short-term needs. In contrast, locked products provide higher annual percentage rates, or APRA, in exchange for committing your assets for a fixed period, such as 7, 30, 60, or 90 days. Choose based on your investment goals. To subscribe, simply select your preferred cryptocurrency and the product type, either flexible or locked. Then, enter the amount you wish to commit and carefully confirm the terms and conditions. Once subscribed, your earnings will be automatically distributed daily to your spot wallet. You can easily monitor all your Simple Earn assets and track your accumulated earnings within your dedicated Earn wallet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.